Did you know that with proper paddock dairy farming, you can increase milk yields by up to 30% while spending less on feed? Most farmers do not realize how simple changes in pasture management can transform their dairy business. Let me show you now how. Welcome back to Farm Focus Africa. I know it has been a while since I last posted, but I am so excited to be back with more farming content. Today we are diving into something that many farmers across Africa are adopting for better milk yields and healthier cows: paddock dairy farming. If you have ever wondered how rotating your cows through paddocks can improve pasture use and reduce feeding costs and also boost productivity, then this video is for you. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through what paddock farming is and why it's important, and how you can set it up on your farm. Whether you're a smallholder farmer or planning to scale up, you'll find practical tips you can use right away. So make sure you stick around till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Farm Focus Africa for more insights, tips, and real farming experiences. Let's jump right in.
They graze there na wakaacha sasa ina generate na hiyo mbolea ya ng'ombe. This one they had grazed before, yeah, older. Graze here. But now those two paddocks in the middle, tunazichukulia the mahindi, tunazichukulia the banana stalks, and the potato vines. That's where the ng'ombe is from. My dad has just done what you call culling, as in gotten rid of the older generation cows.
Okay.
Yeah.
What breeds does he have?
We had Frisian and another breed from Australia. It's the middle between a Guernsey and a Frisian.
Physical attributes? What are the physical features of that?
The white, purely white. Then the black ones are the Frisians.
The black ones with white legs, the Frisians.
No, there's black, yes, with a few white spots. Those are the Frisians.
Okay.
The other one is the cross.
The white with now black patches.
Yes.
And that's like the ideal.
The ideal what?
Cow or cow for a farmer, large-scale farmer.
A large-scale farmer looks at milk. There are those who do milk and those who do beef. But us, we do milk. So you're interested more in the milk production, resistance to diseases, and how easy it is. Is it a heavy feeder or a light feeder, so that you're able to kuzipatia chakula kutosha. So those are the main.
So Frisians are not heavy feeders?
They are heavy feeders, but also their production of milk is high. These are the cross, but the butter content is so low. Yeah, so the Frisians give a lot of milk, but very little butter. So there is that myth that watu wameongeza maji. Ukiwa na Frisians peke yake, unaweza fikiria umeongeza maji.
Okay.
Yeah.
People want butter. Wanapeleka butter and they are not processing.
But butter, the tradition is also called cream. So you use the cream for cooking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I've heard that a lot.
Get this ones, they in terms of production, their milk is less than the Frisian, but the butter content in their milk is higher than the Frisian.
Okay.
So you're better off having this, and because sometimes the milk is, when you take it to the creamery, it's rejected.
The Frisian one.
With sauce, and then you can't miss a bad farmer. There are those who mix na maziwa.
Okay, I don't understand. Why will they reject if it's pure?
it's closer to, you know, they're used to, it's easier to reject that milk. You know, you would not, when we take milk to KCC, they do random sampling. So you can get in one mtungi, the butter content is so high. The next mtungi is so low. So hii umeongeza maji, weka kando. It will be tested.
Okay, there's no way of them knowing that ujaongeza maji.
There is no way. But I'm not every farmer. You know, they are genuinely those who ongeza maji.
Okay, well, wouldn't you tell them that you have different types of cows and hence the disparity?
Would I carry my milk every day to KCC to go and explain? Yeah. So like us, we have a pickup to take the milk. Should I accompany the driver? Probably the driver knows his work is to deliver milk. Yeah.
So he doesn't know anything to do with the cows.
And it's all experience. Like now, my dad is a vet. So that's the advantage we have. He knows how to choose his breeds. And then you notice we have some small calves.
Yeah.
But our calves don't suckle from the mother. On the day they are born, you don't let it suckle.
The very first day.
The day they are born, once it touches its mother's, it will long for that milk. So you just take it away. And the mother will be used to, ukienda kukamua, wakati anaosha matiti, it stimulates milk production. It's like now the calf is like cycling, but we have to take them away. But now if you look at those calves, they are purely on, we feed them bottled milk and calf pellets. But also there, you can see some of these are chimod. They are not yet calving. So yeah, they're probably about 8 that are being milked. The rest are still calves in various stages, or they are their first time to be in calf.
What is the size of this one, paddock?
Size could be 3/4 to 1 acre.
Called an EFK on Safari.
3/4 to 1 acre. There's some that you can notice. You notice this is bigger. You notice those ones are smaller.
I'm trying to estimate the number of days they're going to be from here before you transfer them to the next paddock.
For afternoon feeding, we feed, yani tunaviwekea chakula. So like you see those banana stalks, those are for tomorrow. So tunazitoa, zitoa ile maji kidogo so that, but now this here, probably they have been fed with I think the maize stalks.
So you entirely depend on maize stalks, banana stalk, and grass.
Grass plus the napier.
Oh, there's napier.
Yeah, there's napier. Some of it will grown up there. This is the apple orchard. But now because of the rain, you see how they are struggling.
Apples.
Being many shoots. Why? They are not able to go through. We have so much water. They are not able to fruit on time.